Do you think that repairing a modern car is as simple as replacing a bumper or fixing a dent? Think again. Today's vehicles are more advanced than ever, and that technology can make repairs on modern vehicles a little more difficult than it used to be in the past. Modern vehicles are equipped with cameras, radar detection, parking sensors, advanced driver assistance features, and complex electronic components. A single bumper, for example, can house many sensors that are important to your vehicle's safety system. That means even minor damage could impact important components underneath. And repairs aren't always as simple as just replacing the damaged part. After certain repairs, vehicles may require computer diagnostics, sensor testing, or ADAS calibration to make sure their safety systems are operating as intended. Modern materials can also make repairs more specialized. Aluminum, high-strength steel, advanced plastics, and other lightweight materials may require specific tools, equipment, and repair procedures. That's why choosing an experienced collision center is so important. At Patrick Auto Body and Collision Centers, our goal isn't just to make your vehicle look like it did before the accident. We understand that today's vehicles require attention to their technology, materials, and safety systems throughout the repair process. Schedule an appointment with Patrick Auto Body and Collision Centers today.